Darn this stupid pocket watch. Isn't supposed to happen. Darn this stupid pocket watch. I hate this thing. Hey, that thing. Hey, isn't it time for your little bird's? Isn't it time for his funeral? Is it? Yeah. Is his name Paulee? Yes. Then you gotta get going, man. Okay. Oh my God! Someone stole Paulee's coffin and replaced it with a bunch of junk. I will find whoever is behind this, and I'll put him behind bars. That grave was so easy to rob, it's almost funny. That was fun. Yeah. Well, there were like no guards or anything. Yeah. Oh, I know. Doing it. I'm gonna go out there and capture them. Police dispatch, who may this be? This is Paul Cer. I'd like it if you could, if you take a step outside for a second, because I'm there with, a couple rowdy people who decided to rob a grave. You know, if you could please just step outside your door, I'd be really appreciative. Thank you. Yep, sure. Hey, what is this? Where's who are you sending? Come on! I want to get out of here. Alright, so you are positive that these are the ones that did it. Positive. I'll say clear on this one. What are we going to do? I know. You know you did. What? Robbed a grave. Oh, we robbed a grave. I'm sorry. Alright, lock him up. Put him behind bars. Alright. Get in there. Get in.